Baoji Tea Leader Metal Processing Company Limited is located in Baoji, the Titanium Valley of China. The company relies on the strong technical support and the complete processing capabilities of the industrial park to build the company into an export-oriented, innovative modern enterprise integrating production and sales. Our company produces various types of fasteners and titanium alloy products, as well as deep processed products such as rods, plates, tubes, wires, sheets, strips, foils, standard parts, and drawing processed parts of rare metals such as tungsten, molybdenum, tantalum, niobium, nickel, and zirconium, complying with GB/T, ASTM/B, ASME/SB, AMS, DIN, JIS, and other industry standards provided by customers. Products are widely used in metallurgy, electronics, ceramics, petrochemicals, aerospace, machinery, medical and automotive, electrolysis, and PCB, and other industries and fields. The products we produce are exported to North America, South America, the Middle East, Arab and European, American and Asian countries, etc. Our company has passed ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System certification and many other certifications. At present, it has established a complete set of quality management control. Based on the business principles of honesty and mutual benefit, the company is willing to make progress and grow together with its customers. The company now has three major functions: processing and manufacturing of non-ferrous metal materials, product sales, and innovative research and development.